Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance RGB DDR4 memory with the G.SKILL Trident Z Royal series. This memory kit isn't just about boosting your PC's performance. It's a statement piece for your build, boasting a patented crystalline light bar design that refracts and scatters light across 8 RGB LED zones on each module. What immediately catches the eye are the polished aluminum heat spreaders, available in luxurious gold or silver colors. Beyond their stunning aesthetic, these heat spreaders efficiently dissipate heat, ensuring your memory stays cool under pressure. But aesthetics aren't the only highlight here. The Trident Z Royal series is built for performance, featuring DDR4-3600CL19-20-20-41.35V modules that can be overclocked using XMP 2.0 profiles. However, it's essential to note that achieving the rated XMP frequency and stability depends on your motherboard and CPU capability. One standout feature is the Trident Z Royal lighting control software, which offers over a dozen lighting effects and the ability to manage up to 4 lighting profiles. Whether you prefer a synchronized color scheme or individual module customization, this software lets your creativity shine. It's worth mentioning that G.SKILL emphasizes the importance of not mixing memory kits, as each kit is meticulously matched for optimal performance. So, if you're considering upgrading your system's memory, ensure you're investing in a complete kit to avoid stability issues or system failure. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Trident Z Royal Series DDR4 RAM isn't just about enhancing your PC's performance. It's about making a statement. With its stunning design, robust performance, and customizable RGB lighting, it's the ultimate memory upgrade for enthusiasts who want both style and substance in their builds. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.